Hello guys, Yogesh here. Today I am going to open this Christmas present that is brought by my mom. So let's check it out. First, I am handing from one hand, so don't judge me if the quality is not good. It was actually opened by my mom to test it out, so it could be open or some parts are been open. I don't know what is here, so yeah. Let's open this. It is a Christmas present. It is too early. Oh, it's a remote control car. As it is here. Wait a second, guys. So here is the remote control car. Now I am going to unbox it. It is already opened by my mom, as I have said, and it is more like unmanaged than it was all the wrap before. Left part. What? I think it's here. Oh, I got the opening spot. It is hard to record this unboxing video as it is. Wait a second, guys, I'll open it and show it to you. So guys, it came with a charger to charge this car, which is a Ferrari. It came with included battery, charging ones, but I have already put it here. But it has not come with a remote charger, so it is kind of bad. It is open, so it's awful. I'll show you this gameplay of this bad boy, and yes, this is the unboxing and right to the playing of this thing. Guys, before we get in the video, I have discovered a new feature about this car. It is pretty cool. It is pretty cool design, and I have noticed until it has been open. So I thought it was a off and on button, but it wasn't. Let's see what it does. Oh my god, that's a pretty cool feature which I can show to my friends and show off. So let's get in the video. Hi guys, so we are in the preview video on the starting this car, so let's get started. As simple, it is the back. As you can see, the car is moving back, and this is the front. So it is pretty speed car, and it does not have the speed limit, so it goes like pretty much the same speed. As we already know, it also had this button which opened this door. So sorry guys for I cannot catch the whole screen, as the camera I cannot move it. I have put in a stand. It is really fun, but a really disappointment, this car does not have a straight moving feature like the other car has, as we have to turn around and turn around like this. Yes please ma'am, please in the car. So guys, this is it, the preview of this car. So hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.